times that doesn't always help with the existing gaps within the organization. So group discussion, workforce planning versus strategic planning. What do we, go ahead and circle, use your annotation tool to circle the one that you are most familiar with within your organization. And we're going to break down the differences, but just hearing the term, which one are you most familiar with in your organization? Circle which one that you're most familiar with within your organization. Is it workforce planning or strategic planning? All right, we got one for, oh, this is awesome. Two for, oh, wow, this is great. Okay, it sounds like everyone's really big on strategic planning. This is awesome. All right, let's talk about that briefly. What do you say? Can you type a word using your annotation tool? What's the first word that comes to your mind, or first few words that come to your mind when you think about the strategy and strategic planning? You can either type, or if you don't feel like typing, lots of work. Absolutely, Roberto. Goals and objectives, yes. Senior leaders do it. Anything else? I want to hear from maybe one more person, maybe 1 or 2 more people if possible. Resources. Are there resources to do it, right? We have the tools to do it. Okay, and workforce planning. It sounds like a lot of us are more familiar or more involved or more used to talking about strategy and strategic planning within the organization. So we're going to talk briefly about both of those and talk about the difference between them. So strategic planning is a process of systemically organizing the future for the future. A lot of times HR managers are involved in this, really using past experiences to really determine future decisions. Within strategic planning, there are 7 separate steps. They are identification of values, creation of an operational mission statement, and then doing an environmental scan within the organization and externally. Identifying the organization's goals and objectives, identifying action steps to accomplish the plan, reality testing the plan, and feedback. A lot of us have been involved in strategic planning at retreats, off-site retreats, leadership retreats, with our teams to really help plan for the future.